friends, welcome back to my channel Early Learning with T, and today I'm back with a brand new series for young children, maybe for kids from 0 to 2 years, and here I'll be covering everything related to them. So today I have a special guest, Miss Little T, and let's know from her what's her favorite book, because the video is all about books and how to introduce books and the benefits of introducing books early. So Miss T, what's your favorite book?
It is my favorite book, Woolly Lamb. It can open like this.
Okay, so
it will walk in the book.
So how many times did you read this book?
Hundred of times I read this book.
So friends, introducing books early to kids is very important in many aspects. Initially, it may sound strange for few, but it helps in development of brain connections. That is called synapses. Our brain has many neurons, and the connections made between them is called synapses. So when we start reading early to kids, it will help them to form those connections. And in kids below 2 years, the connections can form at the maximum rate when compared to adults. So early introduction of books is very important. Give them a brain stimuli. So now I introduced books very early to T. So the benefits of introducing books early is, first, it helps them create more synapses, that is brain connections. So it gives more stimulation to brain. And second thing is, as they grow, it will help them improve their vocabulary. Then it also helps understand things with a better perception and visualize things easily when compared to kids of their age. And also the storytelling ability or expressing ability improves. They can express themselves much more than other kids, as their vocabulary is more and their understanding of things is much more and is on a higher side when compared to kids who are not introduced books. So how to introduce books, so where to start and what to start. So initially you can start books, you can read when they're in your womb, and once they are out, like once you deliver a baby, you can start reading books from day one. So initially it is said that kids up to 2 months can mostly, like their vision is very blur and they can see only dark and light, like black and white colors. After 3rd month they can see other colors like red and blue. Like initially it starts with red and it goes. So you can start with black and white images, that is high contrast images is what we call. You get many board books and you can even get printables of those. You can just print some black and white pictures because it is the high contrast pictures. And otherwise, if you're very good at drawing, you can even draw and stick them. And you can read some character building books, like after this stage, after 0 to 2 months. Even during that time, you can read few character building books also. That is very good. And then you can move to few textured books or books with very high bright pictures, big pictures, as it will be more visual for those eyes, so they can see and they can they can see. Once you go for textured books, they can touch, they can feel. So that stimulation is very important. So the 5 sense stimulation is very important for kids. So it is always good, go for high contrast books. Then after that you can go for few texture books where you have good textures, and then you can go for cloth books, board books, and books with puppets. Like you can play with them when you lay them down and you want to interact, you can use that puppet of the book and tell the story. It is very interesting for them, they'll enjoy it very much. Like that you can introduce many books. And after that you can also use few books that have music and pop-up books. Those books with interactive books, those are called interactive books. So these books would be the best for up to the age of 6 months, like initially, because there's not much of reading involved. So you can use these books are good for up to the age of 0 to 6 months. Later you can, apart from these books, you can also read few books, and the authors I prefer is Eric Carle, Sandra Byton are the two authors whose books I love the most. And for interactive books, texture books, I like the Ladybird series and Usborne series a lot. So now I'll show the book. I'll show few books that I have handy as of now that I use for my daughter. So initially I started with this book here. This is the Baby Touch Ladybird book, and this was her favorite. You can see its condition. So this has, see, this sensory thing to touch and feel all the different textures. This was one of her favorite. Apart from this, one more favorite is this from the Usborne series. That's Not My Puppy. This has fur, and you have multiple textures here to touch and feel. This was also a favorite. And I have this Usborne Babies, very slide and see animals, where you can just slide. This is kind of a peekaboo of animals. You have these colorful bright pictures. Then this cloth books, the crinkling sound for the babies to play around and also to read and see the pictures. Such a beautiful book on mommy and babies bonding. Then I had this. This is a musical book. As of now, the batter isn't working. This book had like this pop-ups, and this was that. So these are the pop-ups in this book. So this is a very beautiful book with lights and music. Sorry, not lights, only music. So these are few like pop-up and textured books. See, with these small pop-ups, and you'll have this kind of pop-up and these small touch and feel bumps of these tadpoles. And again a pop-up book here. A pop-up book. This is Steve's favorite. And again this is a textured book with very small text and beautiful bright pictures. So these are few books about texture and feel and pop-up, interactive. These are all interactive books. Apart from these, this is again a beautiful book. This book I didn't introduce with an intention of introducing letters, but here I just like the moving of these pictures, like you can see. Movement of these pictures is what I like the most. Apart from these, I read few books on bonding and character building. So this is one of our favorites, I Love You, a beautiful book of mom and a baby. And this is also a lovely book, and this I say is a must for all the parents. The wonderful things you will be. You can read this book from day one or even when the baby is in the womb, and tell them how beautiful world out there is, and they can become whatever they want. It is their world, and they can do whatever they love to do, and parents are always with them. So these are few books, bedtime reads or just casual reads, like Good Night Delhi, Good Night Mumbai, and few other books were like Good Night Moon, the classic bedtime book, and The Very Hungry Caterpillar, which was like favorite for almost 2-3 years, and even now we love reading that book. So these are few books. I hope you like these, and if you have any other doubts or anything that you would love to know more about books, or if you are trying to find out few books, you can reach me out in comments. Thank you.